This is my meatless spaghetti and meatballs with onions, green peppers, and tomatoes. I made my sauce from scratch and I threw in my meatless meatballs. Hi, this is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with a mukbang. We are having spaghetti and meatballs, and I have some bread here. What happened was I was going to make the bread garlic bread, but I was too hungry for that, so we just have bread. No, please go do what you're supposed to do. Where's your father? Why are you over here? Have some vegan Parmesan cheese on top, and I have ginger ale. This doesn't have ginger in it. I just told y'all that because my sister's stomach was hurting the other day, and I gave her ginger ale. It made her stomach feel better. And she's like, why did it make my stomach feel better? I was like, oh, because of the ginger. She was like, but it doesn't have ginger in it. I didn't know that. Did y'all know that? Bon appetit. Let's eat. This is spaghetti made out of cauliflower. This is so good. This bread is big. I also put some water to drink. The bread is getting me full. I'm gonna chill out on the bread. It's so good though. So today, I spoke to my doctor. I spoke to my neurologist. Because my doctor, my primary care doctor, she's different than my neurologist. She is going to assign me a physical therapist to my house. Because she was concerned about my health with the COVID. And she doesn't want me to go out to physical therapy. Because she suggested that I go to therapy once a week. That's not going to help me. So I was like, can I have physical therapy in my house? Because I need physical therapy. And we decided on a medicine. It's a once a day pill. It's called I don't know, it's called A something. I'll write it. Excuse me. With my lifestyle and everything, that's the one that she recommended. She said it's been out for 10 years. And she suggested that one because everything going on with COVID. The dog is here, moving my green screen. So this medicine is supposed to protect me, protect my immune system. She assigned me, she prescribed me some vitamins, and yeah, I'm excited. She said that my brain and my spinal cord has many lesions. In the span of when I had my last MRI in 2018 till now, she said it's so many lesions. The good thing is, yeah, oh yeah, so I'm a member of the Multiple Sclerosis Society, right? And on the website it's that we're getting so close to curing MS. So she said, do you have any questions for me? I said yes. So I'm on a website that says you're close. She said, what is that? I asked her, I said, what does that mean? She said, there's a new drug that there's a new drug that is in production to where it replaces the myelin sheath that went missing. So that's what's wrong with multiple sclerosis. That's what's wrong. The myelin sheath is eating away at. it's being eaten away at. So this drug is supposed to replace that. She said the drug will be out in like 3 years. That's exciting. So I think this is Queenie, stop. I'm full. Okay. No, Penny. No. This bread is so fresh. Broccoli. I'm so full. I didn't even put a, it feels like I didn't even put a dent in it. The bread was a culprit. Excuse me. I don't know how my mother just gulp it. I can only take one gulp. So, excuse me. So before I'm done, take another bite of my bread, and I'll be finished. Put some spaghetti in it. Excuse me. Excuse me. I love when Pete loves that. Excuse me, said the big. Should I bite first and then bread? Then bread. This bread is so good. I don't eat it often. No. I'm done. But I'm so happy. My conversation went really well. He's going to hook me up with a social worker who's going to advocate me to get some home care, to get a nurse or something. Like, I need extra help. I'll just keep picking at this. That's it. I'm done. I want to thank everyone. I know it's late in the video. Thank you for watching my videos yesterday. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Remember to always be kind and stay positive. Bye. Bye.